Hi, so today we are going to be looking at subqueries, and subqueries is a query within a query. We are going to look them in where they can be used in three instances. One is after the select statement, the other one is in the from statement, and the other one is in the where statement. Yeah, CTEs are becoming less used in today's activities, and people are moving to CTEs. CTE is very easy to understand and to write, yeah, and query. And another reason why they may be moving from the subqueries is work slower on large data sets, and where there is need on joining, it does poor in that. So let's get into today's video. Correct. We have a table where it's the employees table, has 5 columns. Yeah, so it has the employee ID, name, department, age, and salary, and has 27 rows, and has 4 departments: finance, IT, sales, and HR. So let's get into it. So we are going to get into the first one. It's use use subqueries in the select statement, and going to have a select name, department, and then age, and then comma, and then here is where we're going to introduce the sub query. So select average salary from employees from em employees. So when we run this query, as the average salary of everyone, the column is dependent on our data, and you can see that does similar to a window function, where you can have the row and the partition over everything over the salary. So that's just basically the same, and mostly subqueries in the select statement not used much. And so we have the next is use subqueries in from statement. Average number of people in a department. So we're going to be having the subquery. Remember, it's executed before the main query. So let's start writing it. And so we'll be select department, and then count of people as a number of workers, and from employees. And then remember, if you use an aggregation function, we have to group by everything before that function. So group by department. Yeah, so let's execute this query, and yeah, we have that result. And so let's create the other one, the other query, main query. So select department, and then the average, then the derived column, workers, from now this query. Yeah, so from this query, remember, we are now going to have to indent it so that it can be a little bit organized. So remember, we have also used this average as a derived or an aggregation column. So we are going to be having to group by everything before that, and everything before that is department, and we can just group by one. It's only one. So we run that. Yeah, that's the average number of workers in the department. Yeah. So the third question you're going to help to answer, it's we use it in the use it in the where statement, and the question we're going to be answering is which employees are earning more than more than average salary in each department. Yeah, so in every department there's an average salary. So which employees are earning more than that? Yeah. So we're going to be having the query. Yeah. So it will be select name, then department, then salary from employees. Give it alias where salary is greater than. So let's introduce the subquery now. So we select average salary from employees where department. In now this, it's equal to, so we are just like joining. So we have like two tables now and we are joining. So it becomes a bit tricky when we are using the where and the subqueries, and I would advocate that we use the cities for this. And so you run this. So you have so these are the people who earn more than the average salary in the department. There are only 12. Yeah, so that will be all for today. Where we talk about subqueries. Subqueries are now being replaced by CTEs, but you can make most use of the subqueries. They are tricky when they're involved in complex work, but very easy to write when you master them. Yeah, so that will be all for today. Till next time.